Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the chicken pot pie. Let's get started. Heat up some vegetable oil at medium heat. Add the carrot, celery, chicken breast, keep stirring. When the color changed, add some salt, black pepper, white cooking wine, add some water and bring to boil. Cover the pot, keep simmering for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat. Transfer the chicken into a bowl. Reserve the chicken liquor and I will use it later. Heat up some vegetable oil in the same pot. Add 1 yellow onion. Melt some unsalted butter. Then add the peas, the chicken I cooked before, fresh oregano, plain flour, then mix them well. Gradually add the chicken liquor, it will begin to thicken. Some heavy cream. When the consistency is like this, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Any market brand puff pastry. My recipe is enough to make 3 mini pies. Measure the lid. Leave 1 cm gap around the edge. Adjust it to fit the pie dish. Trim the extra. Prick the base with a fork. Transfer the chicken filling to the pie. Cover the pie with the lid. Press well to seal. Remove the extra. This is how I cream the pie. Make some pie vents. Preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Brush the egg wash. Bake the pies for 15 to 20 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the pies. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list to make 3 mini chicken pot pies. So each pie cost me $3. I'm going to enjoy my chicken pot pie. Thanks for watching my video.